Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try sambar recipe, and to begin with let's see how to prepare sambar powder first, and then we'll get to sambar. So I have got coriander seeds, chana dal and red chili, all three in equal proportion, and then also I've got urad dal, little less than chana dal, and also I've got little pepper, cumin seeds and little fenugreek seeds, and also I've got curry leaves. Now we have to dry roast all these ingredients and then grind it to powder. Got a pan, just turn on the heat on a mild flame, and then I'm adding little bit of ghee, and then let's add chana dal first and urad dal. Just fry it for a while. And then let's add coriander seeds and then fry it for a while until they turn to little light brown in color. And now I'm adding pepper, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds, and again fry it for a while. And finally I'm adding red chili and curry leaves. Just fry it for a little while and then we can turn off the heat. I'm going to turn off the heat now and let it cool down for a while, and then we can put it in the mixer jar and grind it. So I have grinded it and our sambar powder is ready. Now let's get to sambar. So I've got 1 cup of tur dal and add it in a pressure cooker and add sufficient water, and also I'm adding little bit of hing powder. And let's close it with the lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 whistles. So while our dal is getting cooked, let's prepare our vegetables. So I have got brinjal and drumstick today. Now keep a pan and turn on the heat and add oil. And now I'm adding little bit of mustard seeds and split urad, and then curry leaves and onion, and fry it for a while. And I'm adding salt now. Onions are well cooked. Let's add tomato and let it cook for a while. So tomatoes are well cooked. Now let's add turmeric powder. And now I'm adding brinjal and drumstick and fry it for a while, and then let's add sambar powder and fry it a little bit, and then add sufficient water and close it with a lid and let it cook for some time. And our dal is also cooked. I have transferred it to a bowl and I have mashed it nicely. And now we can add our dal to the gravy. And I have also soaked little tamarind in hot water for a while. Now I'm going to separate the juice and then add it to our sambar. And now I'm adding it to sambar. Don't add too much. Check the taste, and then if you want you can add it. And then let it cook for 5 more minutes and our sambar should be ready. So now our sambar has come to a boil. So I'm adding a little bit of coriander leaves and then just give a gentle stir. And now we can turn off the heat. Our sambar is ready. So there's our sambar with idli.